Finish the sentence. At the start of the session, I felt.
Anxious.
During the session, I felt.
I think at the one word or challenged.
After the session, I felt.
Aware.
If I could describe in one word my experience inside the very first breathing space bubble.
Insightful.
What would you like to say to others about the benefits you gained?
I think the more open you are, the more you get out of something like this, and it's a very supportive environment, and I think you really have a great chance to get more insight into your own emotions and leaning into those.
What has changed and will change as a result of doing this coaching session and workshop?
I think definitely my awareness of my own emotions and my insight into why I might be feeling some things that I didn't know I was feeling is something that I've really taken from this workshop, and moving forward I'll definitely be spending more time sort of getting in touch with how I'm feeling and exploring that more.
How would you describe Jacq and Breathing Space?
Jacq is amazing, honestly. She's like a supportive big sister. She's there to listen. She's there to be open and vulnerable with you.
What would you say to inspire and encourage someone who may be feeling stuck in fear, pain and doubt from taking that leap of faith to experience breathing space breathwork and coaching with Jacq?
I think change or challenge can be daunting. But taking the first step in a really supportive environment like the one Jacq provides is the best first step you could take.
Awesome, thank you.
No worries.